surface. Should be right there. It's a bottle cap, twist top, right there. Oh, it's gonna be deeper. I'm gonna dig a plug on this one. Oh, roots right there. It's a penny. That's crazy. Reading up 15. Look at that coin ball. Look at that impression it made in there. That's freaking awesome, man. The zinc pennies are turning out really wasted here, man. Just wasted beyond belief. Bring it on. Come on, rain. I want it to start raining, man. Soak this ground, man. Give it a good soaking. So the carcass will pop out, man. I don't know if my pinpointer's gonna be able to, yeah, I will. I'll just pop this one right out. Right there, a little bit of cancel. Actually a big piece of cancel right there. Some kind of cap to something. Bring it on, man. Oh yeah. It's supposed to get really windy here in the next few minutes. That's why I'm not over in an oak grove. There's an oak grove on the other side of the school. I was in an oak grove earlier today and it got kind of windy, so I had to leave there. This is kind of hard to pinpoint. It's kind of jumping. It's not giving me a very solid tone. But it could be something epic, man. It's in here. I think so. It is in there. A little bit of foil. Yep, a little bit of foil. Bring it on, come on, the wind's picking up. Yeah. I want it to rain like about 2 inches today. See how it's changing tones on me? It could be a zinc penny. But it's only changing one tone on me. Yep, it's a zinky. Right there. There's no way it's foil. There's just no way. There's got to be another target in there. Some foil right next to zinc penny. That's why I was getting that broken tone, or that's why I was getting that double tone there, right there. Just fell. It's a zinky in the bag. Come on, come off my fingers there, little zinky. He doesn't want to be put in the bag. But if it stays in the ground any longer, it won't be a zinc penny anymore. It'll just be zinc minerals in the ground. This one's pretty shallow. I'll just dig this one out with my hand digger. It's right on the surface. Just pop that sucker right out. Bam! No, it just fell back in the hole, I think. It's kind of muddy here, so right there. This is zinky. Zinc penny. Another one in the bag. I wonder why my cigarette tasted kind of funny. I'm smoking mud, dude. Okay. It's impossible smoking sometimes when it's raining out. But I don't want to take a break, man. I want to keep on swinging, right? Is that sap right there? By golly, it is sap. Look at that, man. This stuff will start a fire, man. Big time, dude. I don't know. It doesn't smell like sap. Oh, it's definitely sap. It's not dog poop. It's not dog barf. It is sap from the tree. Stuff starts fires. Excellent. Excellent, man. Excellent fire starter. And right next to that second tree over there, actually that first tree right there, there's a lot of huge pieces of sap dripping from the tree. It's kind of weird that oh, there used to be a tree right here. There used to be a tree over here. There's a big stump right here. See? I never noticed that before. There used to be a humongous tree right here. Yeah, bring it on, bring it on. Actually, I'll go to field one. See if I can get something here. Swing slower here. No. I don't think so. $18 right here, baby. Come on, bring it on. A relic? Because there used to be some houses here before they put in this school playground. Come on. Is it a relic? I'm hoping so. It's probably not going to be a relic because it's too shallow. Too shallow to be a relic. What's that? It's a humongous zipper pull. Oh man, look at that monster. That's a huge one, man. It's a double zipper pull too. It's probably for a bag or something. It's a monster. Look at that sucker. Yeah. Bring it on. Okay, I'm gonna go out of field 1 and I'm gonna go back into park 2. They haven't mowed this grass here for a while. All these weeds, man. These dandelions, they spread some weed killer on here, but they didn't mow it, man. I'll show you up close. See? See all these dandelions that are dead right here? All these dead dandelions? They sprayed it, or they put some granules down here, and they haven't mowed it for a while. I've been back every week or so, and they haven't mowed this grass in a while, so. It's jumping everywhere. Ooh, there's some worm. There's a worm. There's a worm, see that sledge right there? There's a worm down there somewhere. That's the worm poop. That's their poop, man. A little bit of oil, some can slaw right there. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.